all new CFMOTO SR-C21. So, what do we have here, my dudes? Well, it's a brand spanking new sport bike lang naman from CFMOTO. I'm sure you may already know, binago ng CFMOTO 300 SR ang standards natin when it comes to quality and performance at a relatively affordable price. Sa 2 taong naipon nilang magandang reputasyon in the motorcycle community, it's no surprise that it's about damn time na gumawa ulit sila ng pang next level na kaya pang lagpasan ang expectation natin from any of their current outgoing model. Nagulat talaga ako dito kasi hindi ko siya ini-expect. Dahil kakatapos lang ng 19th China Motor Expo, which is a major big motorcycle show event sa China. So, etong si SR-C21 ay lumabas lang actually kahapon October 16 of 2021 sa isang Chinfeng customer training program. Kumbaga training camp or track day ito, led by the one and only CFMOTO. Baka ang iniisip mo ito yung 300S RR with the built-in side winglets and single-sided swing arm. No dude, it's not the same bike. At sasabihin ko ang rason kung why bakit. So, without further ado, simulan natin sa pangalan ng motor. Pinakilala nila ang motor as the SR-C21. Ang SR, kilala natin yan as their lineup of sport bikes. But what about the C21? I believe na ito ay codename pa lang. Kung susuriin mo lang ng mabuti ang motor, kulang pa siya sa components to categorize as an actual commercial unit. So therefore, it's a prototype. Or should I say, ang letrang C sa pangalan nito should stand for concept. At yung 21 naman siguro is for the year 2021. Ang SR-C21, my dude, ay merong bagong makina at frame chassis. What I mean by bago is, wala pa ito sa mga outgoing units nila. But as of right now, wala pang pinalabas na kahit anong informasyon ang CFMOTO regarding to this bike. But that's okay, dahil halos kumpleto na ang motor. Just from the perspective, nice viewing angle provided by the one and only cheese chismismis sa internet, we can confirm na ito ay naka-parallel twin 2-cylinder engine with a potential displacement of somewhere between 450cc to 650cc. Oo dude, meron tayong nakikitang numero 40 sa fairings, which could suggest a 400cc, pero sobrang laki kasi ng gulong niya, my dude. That looks like a 120 and 180 Pirelli Diablo Super Corsa. Not to mention the overall top spec MotoGP-like components. But nevertheless, isa na naman itong potential Expressway legal na motor. Ang isa pang na-confirm natin ay meron itong distinct na tunog that is similar to the Yamaha YZF R7 and the Aprilia RS660. Take a listen, my dude. So, ayon. Audio quality may not sounded very clear, pero maririnig mo ang distinct sounding ng naka 270-degree crank na dumadagong-dong. Especially with the SC Project double-sided high exhaust is... So ano naman yung features niya, my dude? Well, simulan natin sa mas malaking full-color TFT display na merong napagkakapal na triple tray clamp. Makikita din natin dito na madaming navigation button sa manibela kasi naka-ride-by-wire throttle na ito for precision throttle response paired with TFT integration. Andyan yan para ma-fully optimize mo ang riding modes and its other premium electric control system. Isa pang over-the-top premium specs nito is big ass Öhlins golden inverted forks at isa pang Öhlins mid-mounted airbag shock absorber sa likod. Yup, those two are also fully adjustable. As for the brakes, these are the Brembo direct push pump plus Brembo 4-piston readily mounted calipers with a brake disc diversion cover. First time ko itong makita sa naka-steel disc. Pero since they labeled it as a diversion cover, dagdag tulong na din yan for heat dissipation na rin. Kasi pag sa truck, talagang gamit na gamit ang preno. To the point na sa sobrang init, halulusaw din yan. At bumabaluktot ang alignment. And also gaya ng nabanggit ko kanina, ito ay naka single-sided swing arm with CFMOTO's very own racing foot pegs branding. At panghuli, as for the design element and aesthetics ng motor, it goes without saying na ito ay sport bike design DNA ng CFMOTO SR series. Looks niya parang 300 SR pa rin but on steroids. I mean from the aggressive lines with carbon fiber material plus the addition of aerodynamic fixed winglets. All the way up to the much bigger and wider fuel tank, driver's seat and rear spoiler ay mas malaki at malapad, suggesting to a much sporty ergonomics for sport-oriented motorcycle. Pero technically speaking, finished product na ito dun eh. I mean, tignan mo itong harap ng motor. Headlight na lang talaga ang kulang sa baba ng daytime running light. Mapapansin mo na ang headlight nito ay magiging kaparehas at kamukha lang din ng 300 SR. Sana lang talaga integrated na ang turn indicators, no? Para malinis at highlighted lang ang winglets. But, like I said, as of right now, wala pang impormasyon na binigay si CFMOTO. Sa ngayon, ito ay prototype pa lamang, nakargado ng sobrang mahal na premium components. So, for the commercialized version, huwag ka na mag-expect ng same level of premiumness but siguradong magkakaroon din naman yan ng decent but not overpriced downgraded version. Tingin ko din na hindi ito magiging as affordable ng ibang high displacement nila. Whether it's going to be 450cc or 650cc. Ikaw ba, mad dude? Anong tansya mo dito? 450 ba or 650? Or even all the way up to 800cc? Comment nyo sa baba with the reason why. Bakit? As for my personal expectation ko dito, it will be in the 650-ish cc. Kasi para maging successful ang SR-C21, kailangan nila itong ibenta to a much larger potential market. Isa sa magiging malaking target nila dito ay sa Europe for the A2 license and above. Para sa mga kaka-upgrade lang ng A2 license at kahit sa mas veteranong rider. Also not to mention na malaki na ang na-build up ng hype for the 650cc middleweight. Na-conquer na nila ang entry-level small displacement segment. So, now it's the time to move up to the next level to compete with the likes of Honda CBR 650R, Yamaha YZF-R7, Kawasaki Ninja 650 and the Aprilia RS 660. Pag nagkataon, mga dudes, yan ay napagkagandang balita dahil isang pagkakataon naman ito for CFMOTO to revolutionize the competition. But for now, magkakaroon muna tayo ng waiting game for the soon commercialized version of the SR-C21. Kung talagang interesado ka sa motor na yan, aanyayahan kitang mag-subscribe sa channel kasama ang bell notification. So once meron na tayong bagong chismis, ay maging updated ka once meron na tayong bagong impormasyon. Kaya maraming salamat, mad dude, and see you on the next chismis.